Alrighty, guys. Everyone wants to hear about MAXN. I made a video about this before. We're gonna look at the daily chart, look at what the system says, as it's been pretty accurate. But a lot of the stocks are down. Do not feel bad. If some of your stocks are just down, it's all market sentiment. But we want to choose the best stocks, the best areas to buy, and this system will show us all of that. So the three exponential moving averages, we are totally in play for the EMA 10. EMA 10 and 20 for this stock. The 20 is this band here, hasn't got touched in a while. The 10 is this band here, hasn't got touched in a while. MAXN has large volume. It's over, plenty enough volume to trade. But the last touch we have on the EMA 20 is recorded on 0529. If you know it has to hit it, it's very powerful knowledge. Do some back test. Anything that don't touch it in 2 months is very long. 529 to 629 and then 729, we're getting very close to it. I think this is a very safe risk versus reward type of trade. But as always, we want to see if we can get the trade in a lower trend channel thing. Because here's the thing, guys. We don't have the ATR for. We can't rely on this. It's not going to hit it. It's too far down unless something dramatically happens. But what we can rely on is this short-term trend channel thing. If you draw your things appropriately, take your trend channel tool, draw it, and you'll see this forms a trend. We have lots of daily candles that are bouncing up and down, forming a nice conformity roll. So right in here is your resistance areas as it hits it. Right in here is where you would look to buy. And so I would buy as close as possible. And as of now, it's going to fluctuate. It says 18.50. It's going to fluctuate as time goes. It could go up, could go lower, could go higher. But I want to see price get as close as possible to this, below the EMA 5, and I look to take profit at the EMA 10 and the EMA 20. This is your longer term. It's going to hit the 10 pretty soon, probably within a week, and that's at 25 cents. Price is 20 cents. Could make pretty decent return on that. Upper trend channel is at 27. EMA 20 is at 44. It's a 100% return if it hits the EMA 20. But I can very easily see it taking one or two candles doing that. So a lot of people, they see it all over the boards. MAXN, MAXN, MAXN. I see it. It makes me almost want to just like frenzy buy this thing, right? Market orders and buy, buy, buy. But the problem is they were alerting this way up in the 30 cents, 27 cents, 25 cents, 24 cents, and it's just been going, pretty low from there. Every penny is very crucial. And I can show you if we do a 20 cent, if we get it right where we're at here and we sell it at the EMA 5 area, you're looking at a 35% increase just on 7 pennies. And I would totally take that gain. I don't need to hit a home run and hit the EMA 20 right off the bat. If I'm up, I take the profit, because the one thing you can secure in the market, and you can't control anything else, is taking the profit, your risk management, and the market can do whatever it wants to do. But I assure you, I promise you, I guarantee you we're going to hit the EMA 20. We're getting very close. It's getting close to 2 months time frame. Sometimes I see 2 months and 2 weeks. That's really on the very, very odd end. 2 months, but once you hit that 2 month mark, you start seeing, okay, we're going to start filling in the EMA 20. All EMA 5, 10, and 20 will all get hit. I have rules and everything in my Discord on how to properly do it, how to set up your chart to look like this and everything. I want you guys to succeed. Avoid the emotions. If you're down 10% on a stock and it's still in a buy zone, why would you be selling just for the stock to rip 30% up and then you lose all your money? Or you just, you lost money but then you could have gained money. That's not how we do trades. We don't trade based on emotions. If you are a swing trader, your objective, and this is what this strategy is right here, swing trading. You buy the dips, you sell the rips. You get as close as possible to get the low end of it. You're not going to get the precise entry of right here. I bought at 0.1668. That's not reasonable. You're not going to get the very lowest of the thing. You can get very close. If I'm looking to buy at 18 cents and it goes to 17 cents, that's totally fine. It can do a wick under it and then just shoot right up. I'm going to accumulate the dips and sell the rips. And with my strategy, I have a very nice accumulation rules in my Discord that teach people. I know everyone's looking at MAXN. I do like it, but only at the bottom trend channel touch. If it doesn't go there, so be it. I play another trade and look for another opportunity. But this right here, guys, let's take this one into advantage here. Look what we're going in. Pennies are obviously risky, but this one, for a 20-cent stock, it's getting to be one of my favorite setups. So keep MAXN on your alerts. Like I said, though, if you go straight to the EMA 10, you're looking at 20 to 30% gains. Your EMA 20 is going to look over 100% returns. The risk versus reward is there. You know, you could go down, you know, it just depends on your average. If people were alerting this at 27 cents, 37 cents, 40 cents, or way up in here, you know, yes, obviously they're going to be holding bags, and they deserve to. Pumpers deserve to hold bags. They sell their bags to followers, and they have no reason, and they don't tell you how to do the strategy. I'm telling you guys actually how to fish, exactly how to trade, and what to look for. Or you have to always buy below the EMA 5. If it's right on the EMA 5, don't worry about it. You look for the lower trend channel. If you're not at the bottom band, this ATR4, which is my best setups, draw your trend channel. What does it look like? Look at the high and go to the low. It will only take you a second. You do the high, you do the low, you find your trend channel, and you'll see, okay, this is your best risk versus reward, and you'll have way better entries than most people in other places. And most people don't know what stocks have to do and what time frames to look at. Most people look at the EMA 20 and just look for crossovers, whereas we know it has to touch the EMA 20. We know it has to touch the 10. Right here, it touches the 10 and rejects. So it's very safe to sell at the 10 and take some off the gain. 10 and rejects. And you see that over and over and over. Right here, we had long distance not touching the 20 and 10. We touched the 10, reject, 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 and then finally hit the EMA 20. And here's another example. We have long distance of not touching the 20. We head on over. If you bought it at the low, you would have made massive returns. Here's your short-term trend channel of how you would be looking to find your areas. You get as close as possible to the trend. You have time distance from the 20. And what happens is we hit the EMA 10 and hit the 20, and you would make massive returns on just these one little candles. I would take 10 to 20% depending on the upside to the EMAs. This obviously has more upside to the EMAs. We're looking at 100% gain if it's the EMA 20, 30% for the EMA 10. Upper trend channel, about, 40%. Take it how you want, guys, but I'll be looking at MAXN. If you guys want to join the premium Discord of when I decide to alert this, I will alert it in the Discord, no worries. It will be an official alert. The YouTube video does not mean I am in this. It does not mean if it's not in my Discord, I'm not in the trade. Sometimes I take trades on my own, especially option plays. But I definitely want to make sure you guys have the best risk versus reward. I don't want anyone to bag hold MAXN if it hits the bottom trend channel. Then you'd be regretting that you have no money to buy it there. So if you want to join the premium Discord, hit the link down below in the YouTube comments and in the description. It'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. Read how to subscribe. Read avoid scammers. I'll never message or DM you first. The only service that is safely processed and is accessed in the Discord, you use your credit card, PayPal, whatever you want to do. When you head over to the service shop, it's safely processed here. I have two services, $6 a month or $12 a month. Super cheap for the high win ratio of over 95% trades. I promise you will be profitable. You'll be guaranteed to win in the market for a low cost, and I have accumulation rules that you have to follow. And when the markets are red like today, where everything's down, I don't thread it. I don't care. I go on my day. I know where price is going to go at the end of the day, and so I accumulate the dips and sell the rips. That's all it is for swing trading. Day and Swing Trading Plus is the best value for $12 a month. My day trade options have been absolute fire. On average, you can make 20 to 30% a day, and that's conservative, very consistent, every day, and over 95% win ratio too. Lost one like 20 trades. It's very nice, guys. So if you click on your computer, you'll avoid the iOS fee. iOS fee will be $12 just flat. If you do it on your phone, it'll be a couple extra dollars. So try to do it on your computer. You're going to get my day trade education, day trade alerts. It's very laid out. Entries and exits. I'm not going to leave you hanging. Day trade chat, RTK journals, where you'll find all my active trades and where I record my wins and losses. And then I recently started doing live streams. If you ever have questions you want to ask, I'll be in there. Swing trade education and swing trade alerts. It's all in there, guys. This is MAXN. I just wanted to do a quick video on MAXN. As of now, it's going to fluctuate. 17.90 is the area, but you just want to look at the trend channel. Draw the trend channel. Look where price is going to go. If it touches this or gets near it, accumulate, sell the buy the dips, sell the rips. And look for the EMA 10 as target, EMA 20 as target, or upper trend channel as targets. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace out. and give this video a like if you guys would. It means a lot. It helps the algorithm.